Starting from Orkhon Valley, where the capital of ancient empires once stood, there are various national parks and historical landmarks located in Orkhanga Amak. One of these landmarks is Tukhum Monastery, the place where the first Bhakt Undergegen Zanazar created his works and meditated. It is located 50 kilometers north of Batolcisum. In 1651, the Undergegen had a stone-walled house built on a small piece of flat land on top of Shibet Uza mountain, surrounded by cliffs and boulders and luscious forests. The structure was named Dopang, or the place for crafts, which eventually became Tukhum. While being at the monastery, the Undergegen invented the Soyam script in 1686, as well as created his most popular literary work, bestowing the highest blessings, or the Sutra, more commonly known in Mongolian as Itil, or faith, alongside putting his craftsmanship skills to use by making sculptures of Buddhist deities such as the white and green Taras. Tukhum Monastery was put under state special protection in 1992, and certain parts of the monastery, including 4 temples, 2 stupas, and the front gates, were renovated back to their original state with financing from the state budget in 2001. Of the 2 springs located near the monastery, Undergegen Zanazar is said to have used the spring on the right for his consumption, while he used the water from the left spring for hygienic purposes. Tukhum Monastery originally consisted of 14 temples, including an assembly hall, temples dedicated to Achirtar and the Qamkur gods, the Crafts Temple, forever flaming butter lamp temple, 2 stupas, a small temple, and prayer wheels with a roof on top, as well as a mermaid temple at the top of a nearby cave. Around the monastery, there are also certain points of interest, such as the seat the Undergegen Zanazar frequently used to rest, 2 trees used for tying his horses, and his footprint when he wore traditional boots, as well as his handprints.